Our role is to provide tools. Some of the tools are AI-based, others are not. The performance that will use these tools is called re-embodied machine. This performance has a signal, as a solo dancer performing together with light, robotic light, laser light, and music. Some of the tools, they are used to analyze the movements of the dancers. Some of the tools are used to control the movements of the lights. So the audience can see this performance live here in Coliseu, and they can also perceive it in virtual reality. So the performance will be restaged and performed at the same time in virtual reality. Mainly people interested in dance, especially contemporary dance, and also people interested in new media technologies. I think so this opening up of the tools is an important achievement, and also the performance as a demonstrator what is possible when you integrate these tools into your own creative productions.